In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt prompts effectively. We'll walk through a series of steps that will help you maximize your interactions with Chatgpt, whether you're new to the platform or looking to refine your skills. Let's dive in. First things first, let's open Chatgpt. You can do this by heading over to the website or launching the app, depending on your setup. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen instructions. Having an account not only helps you keep your interactions organized, but also allows you to access advanced features. After logging in, you'll want to start a new chat. Think of this as opening a fresh page for a project you're about to begin. Starting a new chat ensures that your interactions won't be muddled with previous conversations and allows you to focus solely on the task at hand. Now, when you begin a conversation with Chatgpt, it's important to use a clear structure. Start with a concise statement or question that specifies exactly what you're looking to achieve. For instance, if you're asking for a recipe, specify the ingredients or dietary restrictions you might have. A well-structured prompt helps Chatgpt to generate more accurate and relevant responses, making your interactions smoother and more productive. Once you've received a response, don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions. This is where the conversational aspect of Chatgpt really comes into play. You can ask for clarifications or delve deeper into a particular point. This iterative process helps refine the information you receive, ensuring it meets your needs precisely. As you get more comfortable using the platform, you might notice certain patterns in the prompts you create. Begin to build reusable patterns by jotting down the structures that work well for you. Over time, these patterns will save you time and effort, as you'll have a set foundation to start from whenever you have similar queries or tasks. Lastly, whenever you come across a prompt that works particularly well, consider saving it under a project category or folder within your account. This way, you can revisit and reuse these prompts without having to recreate them from scratch. Organizing your prompts this way helps streamline your process and ensures you have a reliable resource to draw from in the future. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in using Chatgpt prompts. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.